Hello, friends. Today we are stepping into one of the most exciting and fast growing areas of modern technology, 3D printing and design. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is changing the way we think about making things. Instead of starting with a big block of material and cutting away the parts we don't need, 3D printing builds objects layer by layer fashion, just like building with blocks, but a much more detailed and advanced level. From aerospace parts to medical implants, from fashion accessories to custom designs, furniture, 3D printing is making production faster, cheaper, and more customizable than ever before. In this subject, we will learn not only how 3D printers works but also how to design models that can actually be printed. Understanding materials, design rules, and practical challenges along the way. By the end of this course, you will be able to turn your idea into physical products, taking them from imagination to reality with the power of digital design and 3D printing technology. Let's begin our journey into the fascinating world. Myself, Dr. Debal Pramanik, Assistant Professor of Swami Vivekananda Institute of Science and Technology. Today, we are taking our first lecture on 3D printing and design. The Macout syllabus covers 3D printing, additive manufacturing, that is the introduction part. Next, CAD for additive manufacturing, then additive manufacturing techniques, after that materials, then additive manufacturing equipment, post processing, and product quality. First, 3D printing was first introduced in 1986 as a stereolithography in which laminate of a fluid material can respond to ultraviolet light and be successfully printed in layer by layer fashion. Conceptually, 3D printing allies additive manufacturing or rapid prototyping is a versatile layer by layer fabrication technology of 3D printed objects through progressive adding of materials directly guided by predefined digital models that shows in the figure in animation form. Since its first introduction, 3D printing technology has steadily increasing impact on society and is progressively transforming the science and engineering of advanced material. Additive manufacturing refers to the layer by layer fabrication of three-dimensional physical models directly from computer-aided design, that is your CAD design. It is an automatic process of manufacturing objects, that is parts, prototypes, tools, and even assemblies directly from their CAD models without any cutters, tools, or fixtures specific to the object geometry. It is also known as rapid prototyping manufacturing. The rapid prototyping manufacturing techniques enables quick and easy transition from concept generation in the form of computer images to the fabrication of physical models. Although rapid prototyping is a cheap, flexible, and fast way to create test parts prior to the production, material availability has traditionally limited the technology for its widespread application. But now, with ongoing advances in material science and rapid prototyping process itself, the opportunity has been opened for more application. So, this rapid prototyping manufacturing is not only the made from the human brains, it is the nature inspired. If you see the video, then you can see this is not human brain, this is traditionally made from nature based. If you see the flock of birds, they are making their nest with their saliva. See the video. So they are making the nest using their saliva, making layer by layer fashion. After that, they are making their nest. 3D printing technology has worked similarly this technique. So this technology based on nature inspired technology. So there are several terms regarding 3D printing. 3D printing, additive manufacturing, layer manufacturing, solid freedom fabrication, digital manufacturing, rapid prototyping or rapid tooling or rapid manufacturing. These are the basic terms of 3D printing and technology. Thank you.